We live in a world that has the largest population of young people in history.
Young people are running some of the most inspiring, successful and effective grassroots campaigns worldwide, but they're not in public office, and we need to talk about why.
There's no better campaign that is as important as getting young people to believe in themselves and their power, to engage the political process and change policy or participate in politics.
We want to encourage and inspire more young people to run for political office.
In a world where young people are deeply in search of hope, this campaign provides that hope that young people need.
Be seen, be heard is so important because the world is facing unprecedented challenges. Actually, we have got a group of people who are passionate, creative, and really want to drive change. They're young people.